Welcome to MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach. I'm Jay Calca, and today I'm going to be walking you through this beast of a boat, the 386 Canyon. Standing here at the back of the boat, you can see that we just unwrapped this. We haven't even put the props on it, so this is fresh to the lot, and it's pretty impressive, the triple 450s that are powering this boat. This is a 38-foot boat. With those triple 450s, you have no problems with power, getting out the hole quick and getting up to speed. So here at the transom, first thing you'll notice what they've done different from the 376 of old is they do an enclosed transom, which gives you a lot more space to have a bigger fish box and two matching live wells on each side, so you can separate your species for what you're going to fish for that day. What I really do like is this mezzanine seating, so you can sit facing aft and just have a relaxing time. You can also fold this bench seat out, and then you have kind of a conversation pit right here. I really do like the fact that it has two dive doors, tuna doors, boarding doors, whatever you like to call them. That really gives you access from both sides, so you don't have to position the boat on a certain side for what you're doing for that day. So as you can see, sitting here at the helm, you do have the four-row seating, which is really nice. Bolster seating, just like Grady fashion. You have a lot of real estate here to put electronics, and with MarineMax and the Grady-White combination, you get to choose your electronics. You have your joystick right here, digital throttle. I mean, everything's very nice, very well appointed. So you can see you have your AC vents here, and it may not seem like it would do a lot in the center console, but the way this windshield wraps around, it does cool you down when you're out there on a hot day. I think the most notable thing that they did with the 386, moving up from the 376, now we just got this in, so we haven't set up the cushions, but you actually have a fully functional cabin down there. There's a lot more room. On the 376, it was a small area for a couple people to lay, but this is actually a cabin that you can overnight in. So that was a very big addition that they did with the 386. If you're interested in this or any of the other boats that MarineMax carries, swing by MarineMax in Fort Walton Beach and ask for Jay.